Hey, it's Andrea and Jeremy Parker here at Tidal Reflections, and we're very excited to say that we have one unit completely framed of the 5-unit apartment building. So I'm not an expert in these type of things, so I'm going to defer to Jeremy to give us a tour.
So our entrance door will be here from the back side of the building. Then you'll come into your dining area here. There'll be a coat closet where Andrea is now. That'll lead us into the first bedroom, which is about 9 by 10, which also has its own closet built in on this side. When we come back over here, the middle area of the large room is going to be our kitchen area, which will have a U shape, and we have a little pantry closet built in here, or a broom closet. Coming into the bathroom now, we're going to have our washer and dryer here, our walk-in shower here, followed by a toilet, sink, and a cabinet for storage. Finally, over here in this corner will be our living area, which will have an added window over there to look down over towards the water. And then our main bedroom in here, which is 11 by 12, with a bigger, long, narrow closet here to allow for storage.
So I heard you say the word storage a few times. We're building it that way?
Yes, we want to have people be able to store stuff in their units.
Awesome. All right, stay tuned for more tours.